Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the prescription. So there are the superscription part of the prescription. This part of the prescription is represented by the symbol RX, and in the ancient time, it is considered as a prayer to Jupiter, the god of the healing, for the fast recovery of the patient. Nowadays, it is used as a abbreviation for the Latin term that is a take to, and which means you take. Inscription. This is the considered as the main part of the prescription order in and this contain the name and the quantity of the prescribed ingredient. The name of each ingredient is written on the separate along with its quantity. In the complex prescription containing the several ingredients, the inscription can be divided into following parts: base, active medicament of therapeutic action; adjuvants, substance added to increase the action of medicament, its palatability; vehicle, substance used to dissolve the medicament and increase the volume of the preparation. That is the sample for the prescription. There are the Ratna nursing homes and their address, their name, age, and their prescription RX. Ingredients like calamine, zinc oxide, bentonite, rose water, and make a lotion. Apply to affected part with the absorbent their cotton without rubbing. Superscription. This is the part of prescription contain the direction of the prescriber to pharmacist regarding the type and the compounding of dose. Such form along with the number of the doses to be dispensed. This is important because dose of the drug also depend on the type of the dosage form. Next is the signature. This part of the prescription contain the direction to the patient regarding the administration of the drug. It is generally represented as the sig on the prescription. The instructions may include the quantity to be taken, the frequency of administration, the mode of administration, the special instructions such as the dilation, direction, renewal instruction, and in this part, the prescriber whether the prescription can be renewed or not, and it is also should be include the specification like how the many time it can be renewed, and it is of the utmost the important in case of the narcotic and other habitat forming drugs. Signature, address, and the registration number of the prescriber turns the prescriptions into the legal and the authentic order to the pharmacist, and this help in the preventing the use of the spurious drugs. And the registration number is important for the prescription containing narcotic drug. And there are the terms used in the prescription and the meaning. Teaspoonful may be called as the 5 mls, and the OD is the once in a day, BD is twice in a day, TD thrice, and Q is the 4 times in a day. Thank you. In today class I discuss about my topic, the part of the prescription. Thank you.